Hello friends! Today we're excited to share some amazing new home gadgets that will make your daily tasks easier and more fun. From time-saving kitchen tools to smart tech for your home, we've got it all covered. Watch the full video to see our top picks, complete with demos and tips for using each gadget. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cool finds and reviews. Let us know in the comments which gadget you're most excited to try. See you in the next video. So let's start the video.
Toolbox storage. The Apollo Toolbox storage case is a durable and compact solution for organizing your tools. Made from sturdy materials, it ensures long-lasting protection for your equipment. The case features multiple compartments and trays, allowing for easy access and organization of tools of all sizes. Its secure latch keeps everything in place during transport, while the ergonomic handle provides comfort when carrying. Lightweight yet strong, it's perfect for both home use and on-the-go projects. A practical and essential addition for any DIY enthusiast or professional.
Electric milk steamer. The Instant Pot Milk Frother is a 4-in-1 electric milk steamer designed for versatile beverage preparation. It allows you to froth hot or cold milk, steam milk, and create rich foam with ease. The compact design fits perfectly on any countertop, while its stainless steel interior ensures durability. With one-touch controls, it's simple to operate for quick results. The non-stick coating makes cleaning effortless. Ideal for coffee, lattes, cappuccinos, and more, it enhances your at-home coffee experience. A perfect addition for anyone looking to elevate their coffee creations.
Food processor. The Cuisinart food processor is a powerful kitchen appliance designed for quick and efficient food preparation. With its sharp stainless steel blades, it effortlessly chops, slices, dices, and purees a variety of ingredients. The large capacity bowl makes it perfect for preparing meals for families or gatherings. Its simple controls and multiple speed settings offer precision and ease of use. The processor is easy to clean, with removable parts that are dishwasher safe. Ideal for both novice and experienced cooks, it's a versatile tool for any kitchen.
Fish scale remover. The stainless steel fish scale remover is a durable and efficient tool designed to quickly and easily remove fish scales. Its sharp serrated edge ensures thorough descaling without damaging the fish's skin. Made from rust-resistant stainless steel, it is built to last and withstand frequent use. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making the task easier and less messy. Compact and easy to clean, it's ideal for home cooks and professional chefs alike. A must-have tool for preparing fresh fish with minimal effort.
Cover for food. The microwave cover for food is a handy kitchen tool designed to prevent splatters and keep your microwave clean. Made from BPA-free, heat-resistant plastic, it fits over most standard plates and bowls. The built-in steam vents help evenly heat food while retaining moisture. Its transparent design allows you to monitor the cooking process without removing the cover. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's also dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. The cover is collapsible, saving storage space when not in use. Ideal for reheating leftovers or cooking mess-free meals.
Seed remover tool. The 2-in-1 bell pepper cutter and seed remover tool is a convenient gadget for effortlessly preparing bell peppers. Its dual design allows you to quickly slice the pepper and remove the seeds in one easy motion. Made from durable, food-grade plastic, it's built to last and ensures safe handling. The sharp curved blade creates clean, precise cuts without damaging the pepper. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to store and clean after use. Ideal for home cooks looking to save time and reduce mess in the kitchen.
Charcuterie board. The charcuterie board is a stylish and functional serving platter perfect for hosting gatherings. Made from high-quality, durable wood, it offers ample space for arranging meats, cheeses, fruits, and crackers. The smooth surface and natural grain add a touch of elegance to any table setting. Built-in compartments or grooves keep foods neatly separated, ensuring a beautiful presentation. Its sturdy design is easy to clean and maintain, making it ideal for both casual and formal occasions. The board's versatility makes it a great choice for entertaining or gifting. Elevate your dining experience with this must-have accessory.
Dry food dispenser. The Zevro GA2201C indispensable dry food dispenser is a convenient solution for storing and dispensing dry foods like cereal, nuts, or snacks. Its dual canisters allow for easy portion control, releasing just the right amount with each twist. The airtight design helps keep food fresh for longer, while the clear containers make it simple to monitor contents. With a sleek, space-saving design, it fits neatly on countertops. Easy to clean and refill, it's perfect for both home and office kitchens. A practical and stylish way to organize and serve dry foods.
A versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify meal preparation. With its multiple cooking modes, it can pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, and even make yogurt. The cooker features a user-friendly control panel with preset functions for ease of use. Its stainless steel interior ensures durability, while the airtight seal locks in flavors and nutrients. The safety mechanisms, including pressure release valves, ensure safe operation. Ideal for busy individuals, it speeds up cooking times without compromising taste or nutrition. Easy to clean and maintain, it's a must-have for modern kitchens.
Tomato strainer. The Omra Spremi electric tomato strainer is a powerful tool for effortlessly processing tomatoes into sauce. With its high-efficiency motor, it separates seeds and skins, leaving behind smooth puree. The durable stainless steel body ensures longevity, while its compact design makes it ideal for home kitchens. Easy to assemble and disassemble, cleaning is quick and simple. The wide feed chute allows for faster processing of large batches. Perfect for preserving the flavor of fresh tomatoes, this strainer is a must-have for home cooks and canning enthusiasts.